What's up, BBs? Today I'm coming with you guys with a hair review, start to finish. I'm doing Isse hair, 26 straight wig. So at first I use my Got to Be glue spray so the hair can lay down while I'm bleaching it and to make sure none of the baby hairs are getting bleached. I comb it down, make sure all of them are laying down. Go ahead and put your wig on your mannequin head. I use T-pins to sit it down. I'll show you guys the consistency. I cannot say that word, Jesus. In a little bit. But make sure it is a thick layer and you're not scraping too... Oh, see, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, wow. But make sure it is a thick layer and you're not scraping too hard on your frontal. Just a little bit, put a tad bit pressure. I'm going to speed it up a little bit so you guys can see me bleaching the hair. It's a little self-explanatory, but when I first learned, it was a little hard for me as well. I'm done. I get some foil and I put it on top of there and I put it for about 15 minutes. That's my timer right there. And now I'm done. Now look at these knots. Your girl, look at these knots, y'all. Look at these knots. I'm going to get my hot comb and I make sure that I press my baby hairs back. I learned that from Paris, Danielle, shout out to her. I push my baby hairs all the way back because it gives you a fresh look when you put your lace down, y'all. Just look at your girl. Just look at it. It just look. And I didn't pluck this hair as well. I feel like I didn't need to. Sometimes when I pluck my hair, I feel like the hair balds faster. So I didn't pluck it. And now I'm just going to flat iron it. I'm not going to really show y'all too much of me flat ironing the hair. Because when I watch videos like that, I feel like that's so boring. Because flat iron is a little self-explanatory. And this wig of mine, oh Jesus, I had a hard time with this wig head, y'all. A very hard time. Because it's so flimsy. But I'll get a new wig head. Coming soon, coming soon. So now, the rest of the video, I'll be talking to you guys. Alright, y'all, we finally got to the part of me doing my hair. When I tell you it took me a process to get this wig that's behind me to where it looks. It is currently, what time it is? It's 10:15. Let's see how long it takes me. So we're going to do this bald cap method. I have a little mirror right here. This hair is from Isse hair on Aliexpress. 26 inches, y'all. They 26 inches long, child. When we get to that part, I'm gonna show y'all, child. I ain't do the bald cap method in a minute. I want to do it for my birthday. I hate the bald cap method. I hate how it pulls on my hair. I just hate it. I usually still slay my hair without it, but today, since it's the birthday, we're gonna be extra. Got to be glued. The gel pulls y'all hair out. Y'all don't put that in y'all hair. It will pull your hair out. Your little edges out. I'm using these itty bitty scissors, y'all. Don't do me too much. My scissors is in this room and I cannot find it, so whatever. I don't care, like whatever. We're gonna use what we got. And this is what we got, y'all. This is what we get. Oh God. This is the life of not having scissors? Is this really my life, y'all? Is this really my life? Oh, okay, these scissors do this part. Okay. Y'all, when I get to the back, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Last little spray at the edges so they can lay down. I use on my hair, I got some beauty supply store. That's the color right there. I get some alcohol on a rag to get the excess makeup off. Because the lace lays better on a clean face rather than a dirty face. Mostly right here, She comes with combs in the back. Not combs, little tighteners in the back. What them things called, y'all? I don't even know. All I know is you just tighten it with the wig. Oh, I don't got too much of the sides to cut, thank God. Ooh, y'all, she is long. She is pretty, y'all. Gotta fix my part again. Let me show y'all how. Okay, y'all. There's her. I'm 5'3". Yo, look at her. Y'all, I did that bleaching. That's it. Yes, I did that. But we're gonna fix this part, because that part ain't it, but we're gonna fix this part. We're gonna fix this part, dude. Y'all, look how much part and space I got. Get this hair. Get the hair to lay in one. The freaking hot comb is your best friend, y'all. I promise you that. Your hot comb will be your bestie. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do something different. I'm gonna try not to do no baby hairs this time. Let's see if I can get y'all. It's gonna be my first time not doing baby hairs. I always do baby hairs because I feel. Alright, I'm gonna cut these sides off camera. Alright, y'all, I'm using Ghost Bond to lay this thing down. And I try to do the most flattest layer I can. There goes freaking hairs in the way. Let's go with the next layer. Okay. I kind of like use the edge so it could be flat. When I say edge, I mean like that part. See how I scoop some of it off? That's how you know it's going flat. Yeah. That's layer number uno. I use my comb to make sure that bad girl is laying down, okay? So now, get our razor, and we're gonna cut. And with your razor, you don't have to do zigzag motion, because the razor is already giving you that jagged effect, if you know what I mean. Show y'all a little trick too for when this is rising up like that. I'm gonna show y'all. Get your got to be glued and you put it on the excess hair. I'm gonna get it. Huh? You're not funny. Scarf on and let your hair sit. I like to blow dry mine with some hot air while it's sitting, just to make the process faster. Y'all, this hair is so soft. So I get my Care wax stick. A little dirty. Put it at the top of me hair. Put it here, cause it makes it stand up more. So people can freaking see your freaking edges. So people can freaking see your fresh perm set. That's there for, so people can see your fresh perm set. Let me stop. But the Care stick is for flyaways. Get them flyaways chilling and calming down. This is my first time not doing baby hairs, and I don't know how to feel about it. I freaking love baby hairs, okay? But Isse, it is beautiful. 26 inches, 180 density, straight hair. I am in love. It's super, y'all, super soft after I flat ironed it. I add no product, but I don't know if y'all know about that wig shine spray. It's in my room somewhere. In this clutter I got going on over here. I only put a little bit of that, and that's it. I ain't, and then my little Care at the top to set my flyaways down, and your girl is doing it, okay? Doing it. No baby hair. Girl, out. No baby hair. No baby hair. None. Give y'all a little ear action. Thank y'all so much for watching this whole entire video, how I slayed this wig from start to finish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and talk to your girl. If y'all feeling me, click that bell, you know, so you know every time I post videos like this. Thank y'all. I love y'all so much. We on our way to 10K. Then we on our way to 100K. Just keep supporting me and loving me, and I keep giving y'all more and more and more. Love y'all so much. Peace.
Choppers on deck. Everything is on demand. You wanna check? First you gotta have a plan. And she soaking wet. She dripping goddamn. My little butter pecan. Yeah, she got a tan.